In this video I give you a complete guide on how you should do YouTube marketing. You learn how you build up an audience, how to create good content, and how to grow your channel. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. YouTube Online Marketing, a complete guide for your brand. With more than 2.5 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the second largest social media platform in the world. But YouTube's sheer number of users isn't the only reason brands shouldn't hold off on incorporating the platform into their marketing strategy. According to recent data from Sprout Social, consumers are increasingly using YouTube for entertainment, education and product research. Marketing on this platform can increase brand awareness, build stronger relationships, boost SEO and drive traffic with higher conversion rates. In this video, you'll learn what YouTube marketing is, why it's important and how to implement it successfully with proven tips and strategies. What is YouTube marketing? YouTube marketing is the process of promoting a brand, product or service on YouTube. There are three main ways marketers can use YouTube. Create original videos. YouTube is primarily a platform for posting videos. To be successful on YouTube, it's important to publish high-quality videos. Collaborate with influencers. It's not for nothing that brands spent over $600 million to market to influencers on YouTube in 2021. The platform is a great place to work with creators and build authority in your niche. Run video ads. 70% of consumers say they've seen and bought a product on YouTube. Putting ads on YouTube can generate high profits for brands. YouTube is also the second largest search engine in the world. However, ranking on this platform is very competitive, with more than 5 billion videos on YouTube and 500 hours of content being uploaded every minute. Understanding how YouTube's algorithms work and optimizing your videos accordingly is key to increasing your visibility. Why is marketing on YouTube important? The latest YouTube statistics point to one truth: marketers and consumers love videos. Studies show that people are twice as likely to share videos with friends and family as any other content. And with more than 1 billion hours of video viewed daily, there's no better place to use video content than YouTube. Marketing on YouTube has many benefits for your business. Here are a few reasons why investing in YouTube should be a top priority. Reach a larger audience. YouTube has a very large and active user base. By consistently publishing quality content and collaborating with influential authors in your niche, you can gain widespread exposure and traffic. YouTube also allows you to reach an international audience. The platform is available in more than 100 countries in 80 different languages. Features such as automatically translatable captions make it easy to create content for a global audience. Increased visibility and search. YouTube itself is a pretty big search engine, but it's also a great way to increase your visibility in Google. A significant number of search engine results pages, SERPs, now contain a carousel of videos, with more than 94% of those videos coming from YouTube. By doing keyword research on Google and YouTube, you can choose the right topics, match them to your search intent, and ensure that your videos are highly visible on both search engines. Optimize your videos to appear at higher positions on both search engines. Increase brand awareness. YouTube is a great place to build brand awareness. According to Google, 90% of people around the world use YouTube to discover new brands and products. You can spread the word about your business by posting content such as product reviews, explainer videos, and video ads. In addition, tactics such as visual branding and brand voice consistency will help viewers connect with your brand and remember it. Building trust and credibility. YouTube is the most trusted social media platform for prospecting and buying products. YouTube is the perfect place to build trust with your brand. Video testimonials, brand stories, visual tutorials, hands-on reviews and live demonstrations are just a few examples of how your product can solve a problem. You can also build trust with potential customers by partnering with authors in your niche. Increase sales and traffic. YouTube marketing can have a positive impact on revenue. What's more, 81% of marketers say that video has directly increased sales for their business. YouTube shopping features such as cards, end screens, channel stores and tagged merchandise give marketers many opportunities to sell products inside and outside of the platform. Lead generation. YouTube is another effective tool for attracting leads. Along with using features such as lead form ads, you can share webinar advertisements and online course trailers to encourage subscriptions. You can also add landing page links and lead magnets to your video descriptions. Share your videos on other platforms, such as social media and websites, to reach more audiences. Generate additional revenue. YouTube can not only enhance your existing marketing strategy, but also become a new source of revenue for your business. Channels that qualify for YouTube's affiliate program can monetize their videos and generate revenue from views and engagement. Strategies and tips for marketing on YouTube. Marketing on YouTube is competitive, but with the right approach, it can generate a lot of revenue. Simply creating a channel and posting videos is not enough. To achieve tangible success, brands must strategize the process of planning, producing and distributing content on YouTube. Here are some tried and tested best practices for getting the most out of YouTube marketing and growing your business. 1. Create and brand your YouTube channel. The first step in YouTube marketing is to create a channel. Your channel is the home of your brand on YouTube. It's where you can post videos, create playlists, respond to comments, view analytics and more. Follow this guide to create a YouTube channel for your business. However, just creating a channel isn't enough. You also need proper branding to ensure consistency and increase brand awareness. Customize these elements so that your channel follows the branding style guide. Profile picture, banner image, channel description, social links, channel trailer, custom URL. In addition, video thumbnails, titles and descriptions should match your brand image, even if they have to be optimized for SEO. It's a good idea to create a thumbnail template that fits your company and make sure that any future thumbnails you create match that design. 2. Define your YouTube audience. Before you start creating content, determine who your video is intended for. Not all potential customers watch your videos on YouTube, so figure out who your target audience is on the YouTube platform. Are they males or females? What's their age range? Where are they located? You also need to consider the interests of your audience to create engaging videos. What kind of content is your target audience currently watching? Which channels are they subscribed to? Why are they on YouTube in the first place? Combine social media market research, analytics and social listening to understand your audience's issues, questions and goals, especially with regard to online video consumption. Create an audience persona, visualize your target audience and keep them in mind every time you create a video for your channel. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. 3. Conduct a competitive analysis. Identify the channels your audience is watching and research their experiences. This is important for identifying trends, finding keywords, and understanding viewer interests. Competitor analysis will also help you set realistic goals and benchmarks for your videos. Study competing videos and take an in-depth look at your competitors' strategies. Understand what works and what doesn't. Apply this to your own YouTube marketing strategy. What does their posting schedule look like? How are they engaging with their audience? What type of videos do they publish? What do their thumbnails look like? More importantly, find out what gaps in content your brand or channel can fill. There are probably dozens of video opportunities that your competitors are missing. Use these keywords and topics before your competitors catch up with you. 4. Create quality video content on YouTube. There are billions of videos on the platform, but not all of them are worth watching. Users have to sift through the noise every day to find meaningful content on the platform, so YouTube's clever algorithms favor some videos over others. To stand out, you need to constantly create high-quality videos that viewers like. Get creative with your YouTube video ideas. Research your audience's issues, analyze keywords, and practice social listening to find themes and inspiration for your videos. Also, use quality equipment, create a strong storyline, and invest in editing and post-production to make your videos look professional. 5. Try YouTube Shorts and other features. YouTube Shorts is the latest feature that allows you to take advantage of video features in short form. The short-form video marketing feature designed to increase views and usage of short-form content on mobile devices. YouTube Shorts can be used to reach mobile-focused audiences and increase brand engagement. Shoot videos up to 60 seconds long in a vertical format and creatively use embedded audio, text and filters to make your video stand out. Also, use features such as Live, Premiere, and 360 video to consistently deliver a unique video to your audience. 6. Optimize your videos with SEO best practices. YouTube SEO is an often overlooked aspect of video marketing on the platform. However, it's important to ensure they appear at the right time. Otherwise, your videos will get lost in a sea of unviewed content and stay there forever. Video optimization begins in the early stages of video production, that is, in the ideation phase. Keyword research is done to find the right themes and angles for your video. Then, when posting to YouTube, optimize the following elements for maximum visibility. Titles and descriptions. Use primary and secondary keywords naturally. You can also translate your video titles in multiple languages to reach a global audience. Thumbnails. Browse top videos and identify which thumbnails perform well for a particular keyword. Thumbnails with faces, expressions and text often stand out from others and drive more clicks. Tags. Add relevant words and phrases to tell both YouTube and viewers what your video is about. While tags are less important than they used to be, they can still impact your search rankings. The YouTube algorithm also favors videos that get more views. Promote your videos on other platforms such as social media and forums to get more views and be the first push. Also, use cards and end screens to link to your video from other videos on your channel. 7. Actively engage with your audience. Marketing on YouTube is all about building a community of subscribers. And interacting directly with your audience is a great way to do that. Respond to comments on your videos in a timely and polite manner. Take viewer questions seriously and respond quickly to address them. Also, create interactive video content on YouTube to interact with your audience. For example, host live Q&A sessions or webinars, post behind-the-scenes content or premiere videos that you can watch with your audience in real time. 8. Attract a large number of subscribers to your YouTube channel. Subscribers are the bread and butter of every YouTube channel. The more subscribers you have, the more exclusive opportunities you'll get. In addition, the YouTube algorithm is more likely to rank your videos the higher the more subscribers you have. To increase your number of YouTube subscribers, create content that solves problems and meets your audience's goals. Ask people what they want to see on your channel, and deliver on your promise. People subscribe to channels they find valuable and want to see more of. Also, promote your videos outside of YouTube to broaden your audience reach and build relationships, rather than pushing one-sided content. Finally, keep a consistent posting schedule so subscribers know when and how often they can expect to see your videos. The key to successful YouTube marketing is consistency. Creating and editing quality content takes time, but make sure you have a posting schedule and stick to it. Having the right publishing schedule makes it easier to plan content and schedule videos ahead of time, and shapes your subscribers' expectations. YouTube channels with a consistent publishing schedule are usually perceived positively by algorithms. 9. Use YouTube ads to attract targeted traffic. YouTube advertising campaigns can help you reach a wider audience, drive traffic to your website, and deliver personalized messages to your target audience. YouTube supports 3 types of ads. Bumper ads. These are short, non-skippable ads that run before a video starts. In-stream ads. These can be skippable or non-skippable, and run at certain points throughout your videos. Overlay ads. These are non-video ads that appear as banners or text on top of or below your videos. Be careful about your goals when running ads on the platform. YouTube ads are not meant to replace your organic strategy, but to boost it. Also, views acquired from ads don't contribute towards monetization revenue. When placing ads on YouTube, keep the goal in mind. YouTube ads don't replace your organic strategy, they only enhance it. In addition, the number of views generated by ads does not contribute to monetization revenue. 10. Partner with YouTube influencers. The platform has millions of creators with thousands of loyal subscribers. Brands can partner with YouTubers in their niche to promote their products and services in creative ways. Does it work? 70% of marketers think it does. Here are some ideas for marketing campaigns featuring YouTube influencers. Unboxing videos, product reviews, how-to tutorials, daily vlogs and contests. Set a budget prior to working with creators and use influencer marketing tools to narrow down your search for the perfect brand partner. Set expectations up front, share creative briefs and involve creators in the planning phase to streamline the process. Additionally, plan ahead for product deliveries, and consistently measure performance during and after the campaign to tweak your future strategy. 11. Track YouTube analytics. Tracking YouTube analytics helps you identify your best, and worst, performing videos, understand what type of content resonates with your audience, and find out which specific factors impact video performance. You can access the platform's built-in analytics in YouTube Studio. Track metrics like views, subscribers, watch time, audience retention, traffic sources and devices. Also, analyze audience demographics and interests. Knowing this helps succeed on the platform and create an effective long-term strategy. It also helps you focus resources where they matter. YouTube marketing tools. Tools like Sprout Social, vidIQ, Canva and others can boost your video strategy by providing you with a set of YouTube management tools and material to grow bigger and faster. Grow your business with YouTube marketing. YouTube is one of the best platforms for brands investing in video marketing. With billions of users and sky-high engagement rates, it offers marketers a golden opportunity to connect with their audiences. So I hope now you know how to build up your own YouTube channel and how to promote it. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business, some work great, some flop and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent and sooner or later, you will have success, you will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.